And some other attributes of these Kharijites are that, they have a very weird ideology, and the ideology that they would consider anyone who commits a major sin, not only they consider him to be kafir, but they also think and say that such people's blood is halal for them. They think like that. That's why they blow up, they themselves blow up like that. And that's why they go blow masjids and public places and, kill commoners, etc., like that, because they think that their blood is halal. يستحلوا دماءهم ويستحلوا أموالهم. They think that their wealth is also fine, their wealth is also halal for them, and their dignity is also halal for them, is what they think, because purely because this person has committed a major sin. And I'm going to talk about why they think that, in today's global arena, why they think that the blood of anyone is halal for them, is because they think that no one in this current world, in the global arena, no one is governing with the sharia laws, is what they think. And that's why, like I said the last time also, وَمَن لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ is an ayah from Surah Al-Ma'idah. You need to look at it. And here, kufr doesn't mean the real kufr. Kufrun duna kufr is what is actually meant here. So, however, these people, they look at that ayah and they consider this ayah to be, or should I say, they take this ayah out of its context and apply this ayah to everyone and everywhere. And that's why they kill people like this. And they say that there is no one in the entire world that's governing through the laws of Allah Azza wa Jal, through the Sharia laws. That's why they're all guilty, they're all perpetrators. And that's why they think that they could be murdered, killed like that through blasts and through various other means, and shootings like this. Absolute rubbish. I mean, Islam never ever condones any of these things. Islam actually condemns such things in the strongest possible terminologies. And these people not only say that your wealth, your life, your dignity is halal for them, they also say that you are not to be married off. I mean, if they had a daughter, they would not marry their daughter off to you or your son or anyone from you, because you have committed kufr, is what they say. Likewise, they say that if a person dies like that, he cannot inherit, is what they say. And likewise, they also say that if such a person slaughters on the day of, say, Eid al-Adha, you are not going to have his food, you are not going to have meat from his house. These are some of the things that these people actually feel and these people actually think about. And today, in today's times, it is any person or any group that bears any kind of resemblance to the attributes of these people, the Kharijites, whether it is in the form of opinions or in the form of actions, or for that matter, in the form of ideologies. So, anyone who does not consider the Quran and the Sunnah as the guidelines is actually the Kharijite, is what the religion of Islam actually says. Therefore, the Prophet ﷺ also prophesied, saying that the trials of Khawarij would keep mushrooming from time to time. And, the best people or the people of those times would try and, suppress them and would try and eliminate them and try to separate themselves from those factions, is what the Prophet ﷺ said.